Oh, because he's marked his days.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Are you watching my video?
Yes.
Give me one. Thank you, brother.
Thank you. So we do follow you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Hello, how are you? Welcome to Bali, brother. Hello. Welcome to Bali.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane 1. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video at Poppies Lane 1. And overview today start from Kuta Bali hotel because my viewer Dev and Karen stay here. I just been make tour with them. Okay. From Kuta Bali I will make video at Poppies Lane 1. So let's see together how busy this area today. And also Karen and Dev told me if this restaurant is just nice. Yeah. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Let me show you how busy Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane 1 today. This is Kuta Bali. Yeah, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists at Poppies Lane 1 today. Yeah, I just make a day trip with my viewer Mr. Dev and Karen. We did go to the beach having coffee over there in Nusa Dua, and then have lunch at Jimbaran Bay at the restaurant at the fish market. Okay, let's keep walking at Poppies Lane 1. We hope together we will see a lot of tourists in this area today. Wow, it's the car don't have the sound. I didn't know if that is the car behind me. Wow, tourists over there is good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane 1. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Hello. How are you? Very quiet in this area, isn't it? Yeah, few shops open yet. Really sad. Yeah, it's winter together since the pandemic happening in this area. Just not really busy until now. Until this time, what's going on? And usually before the pandemic happening, Poppies Lane 1 also very famous for a legend because a lot of tourists stay in this area. But now it's big change. Yeah, features over there is good. And this video I record on 21st of August 2026 and now on 3 p.m. It's really quiet. empty, isn't it? Really sad. Because actually now is peak season for tourists in Bali, because start from June, July until October is peak season for Bali. Lot of shop open, but not so many tourists in this area. Hello. Quiet. Really sad. I'm walking and I feel it's like a ghost town here. How come so quiet? Big season but empty. Yeah, we all together, we will coming back. We all together. Bali is getting busier and busier again. Because usually around this time, in August until October, Bali is very busy. But today, we can see together in this area, not really busy yet. But it's better than the last video when I make video at Poppies Lane 1.
Oh, because he's marked his days.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Are you watching my video? Give me one. Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much. I do follow you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Wow. They're watching my video also. Wow. So strange for me. I mean, I'm not so handsome, but how come people know me? They remember my voice. Wow, that's good. Thank you very much for watching my video. Yeah, right side, Masa Inn. Accommodation, not so bad to stay. In this area, there is a lot small hotel, guest house, and some how to say, not bungalow, yeah, just guest house. Sorry, I lose my English. Wow, the wind quite strong. I hope the voice you can hear clearly even the wind is so strong. Let me show you how the progress of the new hotel at Poppies Lane 1. Hello! You see that? Wow. Big. Big hotel campus. Wow. Also in this hotel, a lot of tourists over there. That's good. They're just so good, isn't it? Not so busy, but it is getting better at Poppies Lane 1 Kuta Bali. Really big hotel, and Kuta Town Square just right there. behind that building. Yeah, this is Kuta Square. Kuta Town Hall, sorry. Hello. Hello, how are you? Welcome to Bali, brother. Welcome to Bali. Wow. No, so bad. Wow, people doing shopping here. That's good. Hello.
Thank you.
Wow, not bad. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Wow, so busy. That's good. Okay. Let's continue walking at Poppies Lane 1. At the front, if I turn right, if I turn left, there is the way to go to Poppies Lane 2. The street we call Gang Ronta, if I turn left. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane 1. So what do you think? Not so bad, isn't it? Not very quiet actually. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1. Thank you for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali.